Hello dear students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. So dear students, in the previous video you have studied about what is Scratch, how can we open Scratch, components of Scratch window, and how can we create new project, save a project and open a project. Now in this video we will going to learn about using different commands of Scratch. So student, in the upper center corner of your Scratch window, in the block palettes, you will see 10 or 8 buttons. In the old version of Scratch, you can see 8 button, and in the Scratch 2.0 and 3.0 you can see 10 buttons. Each of these buttons have programming blocks in those particular areas. So let us learn about some important blocks of Scratch. First, we will discuss about motion block. Students, motion block are the block that control a sprite movement. It means the motion block category includes the block that can move or turn the sprite. Motion block category includes the block that can move or turn the sprite. There are 17 motion block in Scratch 2.0. For example, you can see that move, steps, go to X and Y. You can see that in the diagram. When you click on the motion block in the block palettes, then there are 17 motion blocks available in Scratch. You can see that in the diagram. Move 10 steps, turn 15 degree, turn 15 degree clockwise and anti-clockwise, and so on. So you can simply drag and drop this block in the script area for programming. So this block is used to turn or move your sprite. Friends, another important block is control block. Control block are the block that control scripts. It means the control block category includes block that let the sprite take decision or repeat action. There are 11 control blocks in Scratch 2.0. For example, you can see that wait for second, forever block. You can see that in the diagram. When you select control block category, then there are 11 blocks available in the control block category. Wait for second, repeat action. Okay. So control block is used to take that let the sprite take decision or repeat action. You can change the value. For example, you can see that wait for second. So you can change the value for second. Okay. So you can simply drag and drop this control block in the script area for programming. Next block is sound block. So sound block are the block that controls sound and MIDI functions. It means the sound block category includes block that let the sprite play music or create sounds. Dear students, there are 13 sound blocks in Scratch 2.0. For example, you can see that play sound, stop all sound. You can understand sound block using this diagram. Okay, when you click on sound block category, then different sound blocks will display, like play sound, okay, start sound, stop all sound, and etc. Another important block is loop blocks. So dear students, looks blocks are the blocks that control a sprite's looks. It means the looks blocks category include block that let you change the appearance of the sprite, like you can change look, color and size of the sprite. There are 23 looks blocks in Scratch 2.0. For example, you can see that say, hello and show the sprite. Using this diagram, you can understand the concept of look block. In the look block category, you can see that when you click on looks block, then all the blocks related to looks blocks will display, like say hello for 2 second, think hum for 2 second. Okay, you can change the value of second and you can change text also. Okay, so using this block you can change the look of the sprite. Simply drag and drop the look block in the script area. This is your script area, so for coding you can drag and drop your block in the script area. Next block is event block. Event block are block that control events and the triggering of scripts. So there are 8 event block in Scratch 2.0. You can see that. So students, for example, when green flag clicked, when the flag is clicked, the script activates, and when any particular key pressed, for example, you can see that in the diagram, when space key pressed, so when the specified key is pressed, the script is activates. So students, after knowing about some important block of Scratch, now I will teach you how can we perform programming in Scratch. So students, you can perform this programming in your iPad also. Okay, so now we will learn how can we perform programming using online editor. So first, open any web browser. You can open Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. So open any web browser, then write scratch.mit.edu in the address box. Okay, so you have to write scratch.mit.edu in the address bar. When you press enter button, then this page will be open. You can see that in this page you have to click on create button. You have to click on create button. Then when you click on create button, then Scratch window will be open. You can see that in the diagram. This is Scratch window. You have already learned about how can we open Scratch and components of Scratch window. Okay, so you can see that this is sprite, this is script area, this is block palettes, and you can see that block here. When you click on particular block, then all blocks related to block category will display here. Okay, so when you click on create, then this Scratch window will be open. Now you can see that this program. Okay, now you can drag and drop block from block palettes in the script area. This is your script area. Okay, so you can drag and drop. When you click on block, then related block will be displayed here, and you can simply drag and drop block in the script area. So you can see that here, when click this block, you can drag and drop this block from event block. Okay, so click on event block and you can drag and drop this block. After that, repeat 10. This block is available in control block. Then change color and say hello. This block is available in look block. So you can drag and drop this block from particular block. Okay, this is your programming. Now if you want to run your program, then you can see that there are two flags here, green and red. So to run a program, click on green flag. When you click on green flag, then you can see that your sprite color will be changed, and you can see that one message hello, because in the programming you write here change color effect by 25 and say hello for 2 seconds. So before execution of your program, your sprite is look like that. Then after execution you can see that your sprite. Okay, so these are very simple steps to run your program. So dear students, you can try this programming at your home using iPad or PC. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of Scratch programming. In the next chapter we will learn more about Scratch. Till that time, bye bye.